Hello everyone, this is Naeem and today I'm gonna show you how you can fix 404 error in your Shopify store. 404 error means broken links. So you can fix broken links with some easy process. So first of all, we are in Google Search Console, and in the Google Search Console we are in the page section, and from the page section you can see that we are in the not found 404 error section. So here is some example links which are broken, so we have to fix those links. First of all, if I open this link, you can see this links is broken and page not found. So now I'm going to fix this error. So first of all, I'm in my Shopify store, and so this is my client's website. So in the Shopify store, I am going to online store, and from there we have to choose navigation. So in the navigation, you can see the view URL redirects in there. So I'm click there, and here there is a create URL redirect. So after clicking this, this section is coming. So I have to copy this URL, copy this link, and paste on there. Yeah, look at this. And so here is the redirection link. So redirect to, I have choose this one. I'm redirecting this link to my home page, so that this broken links and 404 errors can be fixed. So and after that I clicked save redirect. So yeah, done. Your redirect was created. So now if I click on there, yeah, okay, so look at this. This one is fixed. This one, yeah. So now this one is fixed. So here is the thing. This is super easy process, and you can fix this easy process by yourself. Thank you so much.